Hi Ayush. So I have a couple of questions.
Yep.
First, how about the session?
I think the session was great, and listening to the corporate leaders as well who were present over here was really insightful for me as a co-panelist as well. So on an overall level, it was very great, and I think for the upcoming students who are thinking of taking up ACCA as a future career option, it's a great session. It's a great starting point for them to be at. And yeah, I think they will make an informed decision after all of our conversation.
Right,
So,
right.
yeah.
And my next and the last question is, probably we are not that much perfect. Any feedback that you would like to share so that we can improve as an institute?
Definitely, I'm connected with Pankaj sir over LinkedIn and interacted with him for a very small time. So it's been a pleasure connecting with him. He's absolutely a gem of a person.
Right.
And so, no specific feedback to improve, but yeah, just call my name.
Right, we will make sure next time we will call up your name for the first, at the first. And would you mind referring your friends, your colleagues probably for ACCA? And we are also associated with other
Yeah,
courses as clearly mentioned in the offerings part that we did.
Absolutely, the credibility that Pankaj sir holds as a corporate professional and as an educator as well over such a long period of time is definitely worth recommending to my friends and family. So yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us today and taking out your time for this special event.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.